Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about step 24 in your 28-point furnace tune-up and inspection. Step 24 is kind of a fun one because it's inspect and adjust fan belt tension. Now, not every furnace still has a fan belt inside there, but there still are some that have them. What happens with that, it's just like a fan belt on a car. It starts squeaking, water pump doesn't move right, fan doesn't move right, cause the car to overheat. Same thing happens in your furnace. On older models, we had a motor that was outside of the blower wheel, a belt that runs back over to the blower wheel to spin it. It's really important that we adjust that. Make sure that the tensions are right, make sure the speeds are right, because we don't want it to move too much or too little air. We want to make sure that belt isn't getting ready to crack and snap off, because if you have a furnace that has a fan belt on it, it doesn't have higher fire limits like this furnace does. This furnace is actually a direct drive motor, so the motor's inside the wheel, there's no belt inside of it. If you have one of those older furnaces that has a belt, I know you've heard me say it before, but if you've got that furnace, it needs maintenance. It needs a tune-up. It needs to be checked. That wheel needs to be lubricated. That belt needs to be checked. We don't want the furnace burning 200,000 BTUs of fuel with no fan pushing air across it. So please, get your maintenance done. We don't want to overheat your heater and make other things start to happen. All that fire is not good. Please get your maintenance done. Super important, done annually. Tune-ups are very, very important. See you on the next video.